Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix battle.net error. Follow my steps. Click search bar and type device manager. Click device manager. Click display adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click and update driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And select your display adapter. Click Next. Click Close. Close window. Click search bar and type update. Click check for updates. Click check for updates. After completed, close window and restart your PC. Problem solved. Subscribe.